My lecture today is on 19 ways to age well. Number 1. Do not get involved in your children's lives, although it's hard not to. Number 2. Do not interfere with grandchildren's education. Number 3. Love your son-in-law and daughter-in-law. It was your daughter and son who made the choice. Number 4. Never take sides or give opinions on their wedding. Number 5. Don't be an old complainer. Number 6. Don't be an old man with self-pity. Number 7. Don't keep talking about my time. It's already past. Nobody is interested in your history. Number 8. Have plans for your future. Number 9. Don't talk about sickness or diseases. No one is interested. Number 10. No matter how much you earn, save an amount every month. Number 11. Save some money for your funeral, or at least have a plan. Don't leave the burden to the children. Number 12. Have a health plan, or save some money for medical expenses, if possible. Number 13. Don't stay or tune too much to the news or politics. After all, you won't be able to solve anything. Number 14. Stay active, perhaps learn to cook, make garden, exercise, go for a stroll. Whatever it is, just don't sit around and do nothing. Number 15. Keep yourself neat and clean all the time. Maintain personal hygiene. Number 16. Accept aging happily. Till then, enjoy each passing day and live wisely. Number 17. Let age be a bridge to the future and never a letter to the past. Number 18. Don't keep good whiskey, wine or beer for tomorrow. It might be too late. Number 19. Just enjoy yourself. Relax when you need to. Don't overthink or overwork. Just be. Don't keep any enjoyment for tomorrow. It might be too late.